This is how I make my cabbage egusi soup. What I do is add palm oil and onions. Then add your tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes or tomato paste. Add your cayenne pepper and crayfish. Allow to fry for some minutes, then add your blended egusi. The Nigerian name for melon seed is egusi. Then cover the pot. If you want to know if your egusi is done, then go back to my previous video on how to prepare egusi soup. Then add your cabbage. Then add your seasoning cubes. Then add your shrimp seasoning. Add your stockfish. Then add your goat meat. Add your chicken. Add your meat and chicken stock. Then add your chili pepper. Our cabbage egusi soup or melon soup is ready. The aroma and taste is something to die for. If you enjoy watching my video, please do not forget to like, share, and hit the bell notification. See you guys again next time.